Hey, what's up guys? Victor here with PhoneArena, and today we're testing the video recording capabilities of the Nokia 6.1 2018 edition. We just recorded a 4K video sample, so now we're testing 1080p video recording. Follow me around. My coworker Peter is holding the phone in his hands, so there are no extra stabilization rigs. So let's see how the phone is able to stabilize the footage. So now we'll pan around to see how the phone adjusts to different lighting conditions, pointing up to lighter scenes, darker scenes. Notice how it adjusts to those different lighting scenes. And next up, I'll step out of the frame to let us test the continuous autofocus functionality. So see if the phone is actually able to focus on my hand and then quickly on the background. How quickly it does it, how well it does it, and does it do it? Okay guys, this was a quick test of the video camera of the Nokia 6.1 2018. Thanks for watching.